Swift news you don't want to hear. Welcome to another episode of Crypto Dough. So I'm here to tell you the news about Swift, right? But before I get into this, the only thing I ask for you to do is subscribe to the channel and get me to 10,000 subs. Hit that like button, hit that bell notification so I can move to the algorithms and people can notice what's going on with Swift. Now, before I get started, let's go check out what is Swift. SwftCoin. It was trending. It is now 418, right? 418th coin. The market cap right now is 99 million, and you have a trading volume of over 287 million, which means that it's getting traded a lot. Now it just skyrocketed and it just went up to, let me make sure you guys can see the screen. Let me get down to the bottom of the screen. It just skyrocketed and then make sure, and it went all the way up to 3.5 cents. As you guys can see, the top of the Eiffel Tower, the top of the pyramid, the top of the graph, the chart, it went up to 3.036, right? Almost 3.5 cents, which is good. It started out about 2 cents and it went all the way up. And the volume is rising as we speak. So it had a good pullback. In fact, it's at the same bottom base of where it started. It started at 2293, went all the way up, did a massive correction, and it does has potential to go up. So the news would be it was sell-off pressure. I wanted to tell you guys that that's the news that people don't want to hear. It's sell-off pressure, but the volume is increasing, and right now it's at a great buyback spot. Now February is coming, and I'm not telling you guys to buy this technology, right? I'm not your financial advisor, but I'm informing you that this is the news that they didn't want to hear at first. The fact that it plummeted back to where it started. But the volume to me keeps on increasing, which means people are trading it, and the market cap just went up as well. And Swift kind of moved swiftly. Let me give you some more details on that. 7 days ago, this was just 7 days ago, and it still might have a leg down to go, but this was just 7 days ago. 7 days ago, we were just at on the 22nd, 0.0074. Not even a penny yet. A quarter from a penny. And then we had that skyrocketing move, which is 210%. Let's go back to a month. A month, it was practically the same thing. It was hovering above the points 0.006, 0.007, and then it skyrocketed. So people are saying that there's going to be a major pullback all the way down to maybe 1 cent, 1.5 cent. That can happen. That can happen. That's the news that they don't want to hear. That can actually happen. Totally. Will it get there? We don't know. I know that on the 31st of this month, which is coming up in a few days, right? A lot of Bitcoin option plays, they expire, which may drag the market down a little bit. So will this drag this down as well, or will this define the odds and continue to skyrocket? Leave your thoughts down below. Let me know what you think about that. Now, let's go into detail and see, well, what news do we have around it? Where can you get this from? Now, these are the platforms that you can get Swift from. You can get it from Coinbase Exchange. You can get it from OKS. You can get it from Uniswap. You can also get it from the Phantom Wallet. You can get it from KuCoin. And the Phantom Wallet, you don't have to have KYC. So you can just get your coin, move it off the platform, put it right inside of your cold wallet, and call it a day. Total privacy. I like that. Gate.io, BingX, BVOP, MDEX, BitExin. So you can get it from a few places, right? What's the news on it today? Now the sentiment is saying that it's 90% bullish, right? I'm gonna say, well, I'm gonna vote. It's getting a little bit bearish. The price is currently getting rejected from the red resistance zone. Here's the action plan. Okay, just like that. Okay, I guess I'm not logged in. So, okay, Swift retail invested and Wells pump Swift. Technicals are not as healthy. Swift predictions and analytics. Swift analytics addresses by holdings. So you have 93.47 people that hold 0 to 1K. You have 6% of people that hold 1K to 100K. And then you have 0.34% that hold over 100K. So what percentage are you? The Wells holdings are 76% Wells and the retailers are 23. So this can be massively manipulated by massively manipulated by the whales. That's all that shows. Now, I'm getting this info from Coin Market Cap. I like to give credit when credit's due. So in the description of the video, I'm going to put in, let me type that in now. I'm going to put in as far as the source, get it from Coin Market Cap. I kind of like that app. I like that app. Just like CoinGecko, but I like CoinMarketCap a little bit more user friendly to me. That's just my opinion. Right? Let's read some information about Swift. Not Taylor Swift, but SwftCoin itself. Swift, powering Swift blockchain and AI service, Swift GPT. Now, talking about AI services, we know that AI, and this may be a reason why we're having a little bit of pullback, because y'all know they just came out with something called DeepSeek. I'm gonna do a whole video on DeepSeek because DeepSeek is the new AI that just came out, which to me is affecting all of these crypto technologies, which is technology companies. These coins and tokens, right, are technologies. So you're telling me that you no longer need NVIDIA or as much NVIDIA manufacturing tools. You don't need those chips as many of them anymore. Now all you need is algorithms. That's what deep seeks happen to figure out. So this is what happened. And sometimes when you're under pressure, it can create innovation. The United States with the Biden Chip Act stated that, hey, you can only get X amount of chips, or because it's a chip shortage. So we need the bulk of the chips. So China said, okay, if we can only get X amount of chips, why not create an innovative way for us not to need that many chips, but have a better product and cost twice as less as NVIDIA? Whoa, deep, deep seek. There you have it. So it's going to affect Bitcoin. It's going to affect AI. It's going to affect software. It's going to affect all these computers. It's going to affect these things, right? So, but I'm going to do another video to detail to give y'all the full detail on that. But maybe that's why we had a quick little dump and pump. Also, when I see a quick dump like that, to me, it's time to buy more. Buy the dip. Buy it. This dollar cost average, DCA. Okay, you have Swift. I didn't know Swift was an AI service as well. SwftCoin is the native utility token driven Swift blockchain AI powered ecosystem. Swift GPT and the first ever AI token featured on Coinbase. Swift GPT is also the first domain specific LMM for crypto. Swift key features includes 50% reduced transaction fees, lower costs on all transactions. That's good. That's definitely a use case. Pay attention. The market cap is dropping and the volume is dropping. Pay attention. 50% reduced transaction fees, lower costs on all transaction. AI service payments use Swift to access Swift GPT. Tools include expert market analysis, predictions, and intelligence trading solutions. Membership benefits unlock premium features and AI agent services within the Swift GPT. AI powered swaps enable precise, fast cross chain actions and analysis, transactions and analysis. So, talking about AI, they just signed an AI bill. Trump just signed an AI bill. So, maybe that's why we're pumping as well. Swift blockchain combines AI innovation with blockchain infrastructure, simplifying crypto trading while enhancing functionalities throughout. Okay, Swift blockchain revolution. You see what Onyx Coin is doing? That's happening. I did a video yesterday about how Onyx Coin to me is going to have a major dip. And I'm not saying sell out your position, but the fact that it's going to be, or it's rumors saying that it's going to be announced on Binance. When it's announced on platforms, they have a major dip and then they might run back up. Right? So like a bearish diversion, they may have a major dip and run back up. It went up 14x. So what goes up must come down. So in the next video that I'm gonna do it right after this one. I'm going to do one on Alchemy Pay. If you guys see the volume on that one, whew, that's the next popular thing. That's the next popular thing. Alchemy Pay. All right, we talked a bit about Swift. I wanted to give you guys that news. Swift is back at 2.5 cents. Basically, do we have more dip to go? Yes, it do. My thing is it can go all the way down to 1.5 cents. I gotta remember 7 days it was just 0.007, a quarter to a cent. So it dramatically went up by 200. Shit, let me see. I'm gonna give you the direct thing. 7 days, it went up by 209%. It went up by 209%. So I call this the Eiffel Tower right there. Once you see that, it hit its high point. It's going to come back down. Now, the bottom base, it can pump back up and go back up, but it can also drop off and come all the way down to about this starting point right there, or trickle down to even that one right there. Or it can bounce all the way up. I'm going to install Trader View so you guys, I could do a couple of graph charts for you, and you can have a better viewpoint and a better idea of what's really going on. So I'm not going to make this video too long. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on the SwftCoin and let you know a lot of people are hyped. It was trending. Now you have Alchemy Pay trending, and the trend is your friend. So just sit back and you can DCA, not financial advice, but you can DCA. Say, for instance, you have $1,000. You might want to spend 20-30% at this price. If it goes down some more, spend another 25-30%. If it dips a little bit more, spend another 25-30%. And then you have about 20%, 25% left after that. And you can ride this one because February is coming and it can go. Let's see its all-time high. Let's check out its all-time high. All-time high is 7 cents. The all-time high is 7 cents. So it can run to 7 cents or beyond. Look at the bottom of that with the loop right there. It can run to 7 cents or so it's still at a discount at 2 cents if you're looking at it from a macro perspective. It's still 65% discounted. Still 65% at a discount. If you're looking at it from that perspective, would it go all the way up to 7 cents? Most likely, because we're in a super cycle. So most likely. On that note, smash that like button, share this video. I'm going to upload another video right after this about Alchemy Pay, and get me to 10,000 subs. If you're in here right now, get me to 10,000 subs. Also, if you want to support the channel even more, the only thing I ask for you to do is go click those links in the description. Coinbase, Uphold, and Crypto.com. If you don't have an account and you're located in the United States or around the world, if your country allows it, um, go use the links. I make money, you make money for signing up as well. So together we can go further than Wells Fargo. On that note, peace, blessings, and love. Put on your seatbelt. Crypto Dough, we're about to take off in 5, 4, 3,